Medical marijuana is already a multi-billion-dollar industry. The future is this weed pill.
I'm still not sure about this.
Look, most people will tell you Buzz Aldrin walked on the moon. But even a complete idiot will tell you Neil Armstrong did it first. And do you know why he went first?
He was the mission hatch open on his
Because
side?
he pushed Buzz Aldrin out of the way.
I'm satisfied.
Look, man, you're in some deep water, Harold.
Like bankruptcy, dude.
Damn, cash poor? No, I'm saying you're poor.
Harold! Tomorrow, you're gonna fly to Mexico.
What?
We want you to hand-deliver the weed pill formula to the lab.
Buenos dias. I know I'm not supposed to touch the minibar, but I'm going to do it. You know, I don't even care anymore. I'm doing it. I'm having the malo. Salud.
¡Órale! ¡Apúrate, cabrón! What's going on?
I've been kidnapped! I am somewhere in Mexico with a gun to my head. Ah!
What a crybaby!
Harold, I'm just gonna spit this out.
El jefe.
We sold a little product to the cartels, but when we cut them off, they got a little angry.
We gotta get him out really quickly.
I know a guy.
I've tracked down dictators. I can find a guy in middle management.
What do they want?
They want 5 million
What? Pesos?
dollars!
What is that?
It's an injectable microchip. I need to keep tracking.
I don't like needles!
You can't scare me with tales of the big bad cartels. I know how things work. Not in Mexico. Harold.
Harold?
Ah, no, madre.
You really believe in God?
Of course I believe in God. What kind of person does not believe in God?
I guess I kind of do, but not.
Things are gonna start to get better for you. Trust me, I have good instincts.
Let's go.